Just got another package from Blueland. I reordered some things that I really liked and I'm trying some new things. First off, I got these laundry detergent tablets. Everything is zero waste, literally tablets. Like they're not in plastic. They're not those little plastic packets. So there's no waste. In a couple different scents, I got the fragrance free. And then this thing just goes in my laundry room, and then when I need more, I just refill it. This bag is recyclable. I have a whole video on this, which you can find on YouTube or anywhere else, but these are the toilet cleaning tablets. So it's like a big Alka-Seltzer for your toilet. And I just throw them in there on days that I don't want to get the toilet brush out, and it just bzzz, it cleans toilet. Last but not least, I have several of these. I just got another one. This is their hand soap. You just buy the container once. Again, it comes with these little tablets. You put water in here, you put the tablet in here. Then when you need to refill it, you just refill it with water and add another tablet. So all you have to continue to buy are these teeny little tablets. I have a discount code for Blueland. I'll put it in the caption.